If your development environments are left running overnight, you're essentially paying for something you're not using. Many teams aren't aware of the cloud waste that comes from non-production infrastructure, like development, staging, and QA environments. These are often left on even after your team has finished working for the day. It's not anyone's fault, there's just no oversight. That's where ZopNight steps in. It's like having a smart sleep switch for your cloud. ZopNight automatically identifies idle environments and shuts them down according to a schedule you decide on, whether it's nights, weekends, or whatever suits your team best. By the time morning comes around, everything is back online and ready for action. There's no need for anyone to remember anything, nothing breaks, and there's no script to maintain. Setting up takes less than 5 minutes, requiring no change in workflow and no fragile scripting. You can expect to see cost savings of 20 to 40% almost instantly.